In this video, we listed the 5 best dashcams under $100 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DDPAI Dash Cam N1. The DDPAI Dash Cam N1 Dual is a high-performance car DVR designed for comprehensive surveillance and safety. It features dual cameras with 1296p front and 1080p rear recording capabilities, ensuring clear footage from both the front and interior or rear of the vehicle. The cameras boast wide angles of 135 degrees and 125 degrees, effectively eliminating blind spots. Equipped with night vision technology and an f1.8 aperture, it captures vibrant footage even in low-light conditions. The dashcam utilizes AI.265 encoding for improved video quality and storage efficiency, supporting up to 256GB microSD cards for extensive recording. It includes 24/7 parking monitoring with 3 intelligent modes and IPS power management to monitor car battery voltage. Designed with a sleek, award-winning aesthetic, the N1 Dual integrates seamlessly into vehicle interiors and offers features like real-time preview and video editing via the DDPAI app for enhanced usability. Number 2. Lang 3 Dashcam. The Lounging Car DVR is a portable recording device designed with a General Plus chipset for high-definition 1080p video capture at 25 frames per second. Originating from mainland China, it features a compact and lightweight assembly suitable for both internal and external vehicle use. The DVR supports 3-channel recording, ensuring comprehensive coverage of the driving environment. It includes intelligent features such as loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring for enhanced security. The device incorporates dual 1080p cameras with wide-angle lenses, optimized for day and night vision with HDR technology. Additional specifications include a 2.35-inch display, support for up to 128GB TF cards, and various video and photo formats. The package includes essential accessories like a car charger, suction cup mount, and user manual, making it a versatile option for dashcam and surveillance needs. Number 3. New H6 Dashcam. The OBDPEAK H6 is a sophisticated car DVR system equipped with advanced features tailored for modern vehicle surveillance and safety. It boasts dual cameras, including a 4K front camera and a full HD rear camera, capable of recording high-quality video in various conditions. The device features an 11.26-inch full-touch IPS screen that integrates seamlessly into the rearview mirror, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Key functionalities include Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time video streaming and download via a dedicated mobile app, as well as GPS tracking, optional, for precise location data. It supports 24-hour parking surveillance with a built-in G-sensor to detect and record incidents even when the vehicle is stationary. The OBDPEAK H6 is designed for ease of use with features like automatic rearview camera activation when reversing and comprehensive after-sales support including a 1-year warranty. Number 4. OBDPEAK T20 Pro. The OBDPEAK T20 Pro is a versatile car accessory originating from mainland China under the OBDPEAK brand. It features a high-resolution 11.3-inch 1440*540p touch screen that supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functionalities, catering to advanced mobile connectivity needs. The device includes a 720p rearview camera with parking lines activated in reverse gear, ensuring enhanced safety during maneuvers. It supports loop recording to overwrite old files automatically and boasts a multifunctional design with Bluetooth, FM transmitter, and high-fidelity audio output options. The product is designed for ease of use with various mobile devices, offering features like screen mirroring and GPS navigation integration. It also supports dropshipping and comes with additional accessories for expanded functionality, making it a comprehensive solution for modern vehicle technology needs. Number 5. KQQ2K Dashcam. The KQQ Car DVR is a high-specification device designed for comprehensive surveillance and recording purposes. It operates on corded electric power and features a built-in screen with IPS display technology, capable of loop cycle recording and night vision functionality. It includes a rear camera, audio recording capability, and supports a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels with a 500 mega sensor. Special features include a G sensor, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a parking monitor, with a maximum external memory capacity of 128 GB supported via SD, MMC cards. The unit is powered by a built-in battery and utilizes a hidden assembly mode, running on a H6 chipset. It is certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards, and supports multiple languages for ease of use, making it suitable for international markets.